The story behind viral sounds. This sound
O cholera, czy to Freddy Fazbear?
came from a video of a Polish man who found a trash can shaped like a bear and immediately started singing about it.
O cholera, czy to Freddy Fazbear?
This sound effect came from the original Super Larry Bros. In 1985, but it's not an original sound. Nintendo's NES had such limited memory that they simply took the level complete fanfare, sped it up, and used it as the mushroom pickup sound. And this one, known as the Black Suit theme composed by Christopher Young for Spider-Man 3.
Where am I?
And this, known as SpongeBob Fail Sound, was created by sound designer Jeff Hutchins for SpongeBob Round Pants.